Alright guys, it is time to get a small check. God damn it.
Oh, you came for SMOG?
Yep.
You got the registration?
I got the registration. Got the registration. I got the small check from you 2 years ago. And I got the EO number for the headers.
You got them all?
Yep.
Okay, right here. It's gonna cost you $120. Your car pass.
Really? It went up in price.
Yeah. This is what year is this?
1990.
Yeah, 120. Okay, so car pass is 120, fail 111.75, and free retest. Okay, right now, so far everything okay.
Okay.
Only one issue. This wire just come out.
Oh no!
So we gotta fix
Crap, yeah, otherwise I can't drive it home.
it. Well, somebody already tried to fix it.
Okay.
See this right here?
Yeah.
Somebody already tried to fix it.
Try to crimp it?
Yeah. See that crimp? Somebody tried to crimp it already. They didn't crimp it properly. That's why it come loose.
Shoot.
See, to check the timing, we have to.
Yeah, I get that, yeah. Alright guys, so I passed the smog. That's the good news. The bad news is that he broke the connector from the ECM to the distributor, so I gotta get that connector fixed. But here it is. So the NOx measures 77 and 22. The CO, good. Hydrocarbons, good. Everything passed. 860,660 miles, and he wrote it wrong here. Alright guys, that's it. Welcome to California.